say, yaba de no. Yaba. The predator say there. Aha! Be alright. That's some jacket that what do I?
Say me say me practice motu country.
I did not to worry.
Me practice there. Mudu wa I won. To my nan's. This is ma.
No problem.
Pull over.
Me do what that. Me I mean.
Why always am I being there before I
have the power to appear, disappear.
In the wedding, obey you.
Appear with your bag man, appear.
No, obey here way just to catch warm. But me, I don't need it. I know what to get. I mean, my dear may be keeping warm.
Hey, uncle.
That's all. I say, as simple.
About small say.
I say, what partner? What partner? Meaning it can be your friend, or boyfriend, and other way la. If you are anything and only around. Oh, boyfriend or girlfriend. Now, a day and a whole day, the whole day. Guy no, one fro, one testo. Another girl no, only one fro, one testo. All in the name of I'm busy. Guy ne kaka, girl so I'm busy. Another girl ne kaka, also I'm busy. Is it okay? There, oh, after the whole day, my dad without calling your bae, the one you call like your true love. Is it okay?
Oh, hold on, no. Are we talking based on relationship like girlfriend, boyfriend, pay another award so come?
Okay, girlfriend, boyfriend, yeah, your girlfriend, your boyfriend.
One timbo.
Obia, but
Okay. Who do I problem?
The whole day.
It's
one test.
The whole day.
One test to one throw. That's why you're busy. Maybe I'm not important to you. On your problem.
It's important to him. No, I've been telling almost on your problem more.
The mean I not on take.
Is it because I also am behind internet?
But you see, it doesn't even take like 10 to 15 seconds to do this. As well, babe, today my day will be very, very, very busy, or my schedules will be very, very busy. So I'm going to call you when I'm free. If I don't, I'm going to call you when I get home or tomorrow. But cry them from cry and text some cry. I'm not important to you, and that's it.
Are you okay with it?
I should be okay. Because
I still don't get your point, because if Obi Kene Miss Awaoba, are you okay? Are you okay with it?
I will never national, but I should be okay. Listen to my point. Say anywhere nanso. Na say I would see me feel that you are very important to me. You are my boyfriend. So you are important to me. One of like me find the 3 priorities or my brabum no, you are one of them. Now to my strong then kasamu the whole day. I should be okay. The reason I'm saying I should be okay is me ni yana nyamba champana. Me I don't know me. I don't know you. So if I have been able to be okay up till this time there, I should be okay.
Meaning when I'm saying okay, meaning there or better what amala.
That meant someone trying.
Better what obi or to the better what amala. I'm in Canada.
You know, on your
is it a good thing? Is it a good thing?
Seriously, it's not a good thing. But for your pa.
So I'm not talking about Nkofna. Is it a situation, you know, and a year come
I think she's coming from the point where it has been normalized.
So
that's where she's coming from.
And I'll create an example. The man I'm dating right now. You know, you took me 2 weeks with her, but on a day, every platform will be sharing be over text, but don't throw phone though.
You know, I'll maybe so I said me, Nat. Wako, your girlfriend, and you know, I prefer it by at this age, dear, our girlfriend. And Wally, I want a Wally, but our girlfriend, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, graduating, I get you up.
Let's see, maybe.
It's a platform, you do, maybe.
You know,
Make it the man I'm dating, Anta.
the question is, do you have a girlfriend? And I'm like,
Do you have a lover,
have a
a
lover?
partner, someone you spend
Why
time
there? Put that in this one corner.
on your one corner?
Oh,
Care platform, your platform.
Okay,
care
I'll
platform.
young.
But you see, I feel like it is wrong to go the whole day without you texting your girlfriend or boyfriend, because relationship.
Why busy? Why busy? Like
I get it. We are all busy.
remember,
But you see, sending a hi, baby, I'm busy, I'm doing this, and when I'm less busy, I'll text you. Just 5 minutes or 2 seconds, something. You should be able to adapt these lifestyles and be able to do it, because you know be date here. Definitely with you say you want to do life together with the person. So you are getting to know each other. So you have to count him or her in your plans.
okay, what's on apa? Yes, what's on? On your name, all the crampo, call no puro nyan in that way. Oh, challenge you some preparation be aba. Or solid yabo, papa won't put them can walk with you. On a personal way, you know, if you one from one test.
I'll tell you something. Go to the washroom and text your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Regardless of where you are, you can still create space.
The mindset, you know, the mindset, you know, always professional way, without
now, maybe say come dinner bed and go didi.
And in the obitum, you professor to one rather the whole day on the it happens. Maybe it will be one of the days.
In the name of Jesus, you have to find time and text your boy.
Just say
your girlfriend.
Hey, your girlfriend.
You can't.
Your
No,
girlfriend.
you can't. Also, sometimes you don't. Men create circumstances.
Or you only create.
I get it, but there's always a way.
A
There's
way.
always time. Regardless of how busy you are, you know shit man there's always time. That time you can make it.
But anyway, if you agree with me there, there have been some circumstances that the whole day, who baby or that to
But
baby.
a phone no the airful if you are staircase uncle office say a phone the question. Then answer
Only time making the mindset now at the friend no because of the human pressure that world will see.
This thing has
you
been
have that
normal
mindset
now.
If you have that mindset, or you decide to create that mindset,
No one is creating that mindset.
But you are doing it every day. You are creating it.
Okay, not this one is a day. A day is not a day bia. Asha dal every day bia. A day wasol. Pressure be jimim. Waso wako. One from one testo. We wako be 12. One adaching. And a pan of a oh, be sorry yesterday I didn't call you another. I didn't test. I was busy.
Seriously,
Okay, I get
it's
it.
normal to me.
if it happens once in a while, fine. But a very continuous habit, then it's intentional.
But once in a while, don't you think that once in a while,
Or
that at least.
No, I don't think so. Because me, sometimes once in a while, I can go a whole day without texting my girlfriend, and it's cool.
so now you have a girlfriend.
I didn't say that.
and
it's cool because
A whole day,
a whole
and
day.
and testing.
And okay, my testing
Wow.
maybe my point Juma na movie and na bed done.
So during the day, so you've got a day without testing her.
Me, I feel like you can't go a whole.
I'm contradicting.
No, I'm not contradicting. Me, cause like once in a while it happens to me, I can do it. But me, cause it's a once in a while thing. A better habit, then I miss dream partner.
Okay, so listen. Who partner and final queen. Or any be at that moment, one queen, she knew. Now I call a day without
Not
not.
texting. I don't think it's
it's normal. Me, it's normal to me.
I don't think it has to be.
I don't know.
I've been
Because
normal. Now, mama shifting.
Especially when you're saying the young queen, BBRNC. Now, it's a BBSC. You couldn't do that and ended the whole day on from my I'll try to get to know, like, what's up, why didn't you call me and stuff. But if we were okay last night or ended up, and today the whole day I've not heard from me, I did.
Enkasano, like, are you okay with it? Obo to them, Walanka say, we want to get there. Or take only 5 or 10 seconds to test the person.
That's why I told you that I see that at that point or that period or that day, I see myself not to be important to you.
Into obi them no empeden in Benanto.
Menu Benanto. They are
no obi important to the person.
She's coming from a point where
but you men kasam. I only be yan wo who understand. Okay day Oko baby so no work can
I'm still here. I feel like in me, it's normal to me.
I feel like we get it. We understand.
But this is
happening. But no can say normal to her because when who say we accept it, say it could happen. But even as much as it could happen, crying or some catcher will say that means you get where she's coming from.
Because so, I said I should be okay. So me won't dream me one. I was me okay.
Until no obida, it's not about being okay. Obida no. And then about that. But yes, future. That's what I'm doing.
On your fret na text and pet no chire wuni power bobre.
Oh, okay. On your no pet, but or chire how the making or how you are important to the person.
I will only talk about this if we are about to make a decision to live together as husband and wife.
But of course. It's true, those processes not only
it's a lifestyle.
Yes,
daily activities now. And have no be discussing.
Especially when my body call a being. Let me wonder them not. I will never talk about it again. But I will make plans for my children without you. See, I mean, me kind of lifestyle with the namno. So I get men telling me I don't love them. It's not I don't love you. I see that. I have realized that be happy. Wankasa no. Yada wankasa mo cry.
Into our lankasa ebotum.
Revenge.
Alcohol.
There was me.
Revengeful.
Ebotum any behinat na you so called you loved him, you cherish him, you adore him. Not alcohol a day without you not testing or calling.
I can't do that to my man, but if my man is doing it to me,
hold on. So you can't do it to your man. Why is it that you can't do it to your man?
I feel like you are one of my responsibilities.
Good. Hold on there. So if I want a feel that man, why would you say? Why do you want to be with such person?
No, me premature. On your phone call and a text and could say na me na wo always in him.
Into on share there. The mass may see you are not important. On can and yamano watch there. You are not important to him.
Call and text. On count.
Okay.
See, me like this. Okay. I can't do text alone. Sometimes I feel like I have to call you to hear your voice.
Yes, that's what
because you can tell me you're okay on the text. Baby, me too voice. I know that there's something wrong with you.
You're romantic, dude.
No, I'm just being real. I'm just being real because sometimes on call, I won't say, she's not okay. Women go through a whole lot of stuff. Maybe now she's going through a period. She's not okay. She needs someone to talk to. But on text, I'm okay. Just so you don't feel bad. No, like that.
Chicks and kasana. Some chicks are some way.
I bet Tessel say I'm fine. But some other guy will call her and talk to her and get in conversation with her. What's happening or develop something for that guy. But the guy is doing extra. And I won't know you are not doing that call. You see, but once me and Catcher said, okay, it's because you didn't call. That's why it's some kind of way. So I feel like every time, if you do the text kakra now, do the calling kakra, it's important. Each and every day, talk to your woman. Talk to your guy.
So in all, you want to say
it's important.
You don't have to go a day.
You don't have to make it.
No matter how.
Try your best because your partner. Listen, I didn't hear your relationship. You can't tell me that in relationship you will be like this, and when you get married, you will be like this. What you do in relationships, what you take to marriage. So if you take your partner serious, it's a money plan assurance said this person has me for life. Yeah, why you can't have a problem? Because it's one you and I will exhibit you. You can't tell me that it's just relationship. When we get married, I'll do better. No, I'll leave you alone.
Hey, now
when you guys are in this relationship, I said girlfriend, boyfriend, especially in Misafo, they become more serious than they be a one so one even though I there for serious be.
Oh yeah, I get it. I know relationship. You be say Kasa they be. I'll make you know that if you are being serious, be serious. We are sharp, be sharp. We just because you worry or what's the sound. That's why they have divorce.
Some question.
Divorce today.
I want to know something. When the girl is calling, you are calling. And you feel everything is okay based on the calling and texting issue we're talking about right now. If you are meeting the girl halfway, she's also meeting halfway, and then it gets to a point that this marriage thing come in, and then girl need change that on the video.
Why are you changing?
maybe
anything can happen.
maybe
Anything. So good. I like the fact that anything can happen because when you change, that anything can happen could also happen that also leave you alone.
So then you can marry
Because
like
I would share me in relationship and you see the way relationship and then mommy who said no, I can actually go this and show this girl. So if you are switching, I don't need someone who go the other way with me because I'm seeing this. Why are you not this?
Me, when you are
Then
dating
go
me,
away.
whatever you start, finish it.
Exactly. That's it.
Don't do guy be starting me side no. Obe fra no pa. Have you eaten? Some questions when I'm chew my brabum. Have you eaten? What how was your day? How did it what starting no? Family query. If you don't do that, na do baby na uko 2 weeks and a day without calling me, I have a problem with you. So start with me now. Now no me feel say what share me the way I would say. So it's my stand or my plan.
Have you had that conversation?
Who?
Have you had a conversation with him?
That don't switch no.
They all what starts no thing. Have you had a
Oh,
conversation?
now any man.
Because there are some men or yes sir just to win your heart.
Sarah American.
You get it. Now,
so see the reason why I won't let my man I'm dating
no problem
go.
with that. There's no problem with a guy checking up on you every day and after he has won your heart. After there's some questions, dating time. After don't be so, there's no. It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
You see, sometimes you have to show people care in order for you to be accepted by them. And after they accept you, you keep showing that's
so care. You want to tell me that the relationship or whatever you called it was transactional? Is that what you're telling me?
No, it's not transactional. No, I'm not talking about transactional.
Why would you have to do something for someone to care for you? Or like, why would you care for someone because of you want the person to
win in the heart?
Really? No. The reason is, I mean, me feel that we actually the way out.
Obi o wa e ka sem do obi o osase dem America no the calling more obotrechi na calling no wa before obi so let me say amide na me calling more from on start no me calling calling more but in there no is serious in there na kameta ampo me call oba onim there no by this period no oyeduma bibi ntino Oshana dem period ni prayer oba free oba test ahwe what's up
mental one can
ada do one way
no maybe
I mean obi wo ha ne de no why yeah but on during the process of the relationship no enya maybe see someone or work someone ibu wa dem looking asas no or check up most of the time but in the maybe adwuma na no ye ntino now adwuma na je time no more kakra into one ma call na oyan more on to me here, but all the same, all day it be a could be a baby then up. But oyan more to them, my first name for phone, no oil then oyan.
I mean, the first day I can say, I can say, mommy, when intentions, I want to woo you, then things, no, or be muna. Yenya, I can say, dear, as 2 hours, you start into the action process, it's okay, Marty. Over to one. Yeah,
on the account, but we are adults and we change at a point in time. The fact that the person still values you and loves you, keep you like that.
Yeah, because with that kind of things he does for me, like that. But it's not about calling and whatever. Say baby our friend, mukasa be eating, and after they do baby our friend, that's to be fair, ask you whether you've eaten.
Oh, you trying to show in all no.
Me, it's not a problem to me.
Say one for one.
It's not a problem to me. Everybody will be ever snap by me. It's not by me in China. It's not a problem.
Okay, now Uncle.
For me, it's not really a big deal, but it's a deal.
Hey.
In the sense that I feel like you have to make it something important to you, a priority. I'm not saying that talk to me for 1 hour or 30 minutes. You just text to work and it makes sense. Okay, you are busy. You close at this time. Because me, I know the time my girlfriend close.
Okay.
That's how you have a girlfriend.
I know that. I know that upon from this time when she's free. My friend I'm in, but so join my uncle here. I'll text her. Baby, I'm on a good man. How you doing? Okay, you're going to work. Take care. Be safe.
All right. Charlie, what can you I want to answer? I'm the Amina Sindiaka. One for.